Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Lincoln MKZ into neutral. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface for safety. Then, firmly apply the parking brake. Next, turn the ignition on but do not start the engine. This provides power to the shifter buttons, which is essential for the next steps. With the ignition on, press and hold the brake pedal down. Locate the N button on your center stack's push-button shifter. Press this N button to engage neutral. You may hear a slight click as the transmission shifts. Keep your foot on the brake for now. To confirm neutral, look for the N indicator illuminated in your instrument cluster. Once confirmed, slowly release the parking brake. For an extra check, gently push the vehicle to ensure it can roll freely. This verifies the transmission is truly disengaged. When you are ready to exit neutral, firmly apply the brake pedal again. Then, simply press P for park or D for drive on your push-button shifter. Once your desired gear is selected, release the parking brake completely. You are now ready to drive or secure your vehicle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.